Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a Windows Forms project and opening the form where the options belong. Once done, drag radio button controls onto the form, place them inside a group box when you want exclusive choices. Make sure to set meaningful name and text values and use the tag property to store an ID or value if needed. Also adjust tab order and enabled state now, because proper naming and grouping simplify the code you write next and prevent selection conflicts. You handle user choice with the check changed event. Either attach individual handlers or one shared method to multiple radio buttons. In the handler, check the sender or use radio button. Check to know which option is active and read tag or name for the underlying value. If you create controls dynamically, use add handler to wire events. Once you have the selection, update UI state or variables, for example, enable related controls or set a bound property so downstream logic uses the chosen value. You finish by setting a default radio button. Check to guarantee an initial valid choice, then implement validation before processing. Confirm a selection exists and show feedback. When saving or applying settings, convert the selected tag or name into your data model and close or disable inputs as needed. If things go wrong, check the most common issue. Make sure controls are enabled, auto check is true, and group box boundaries are correct. These prevent events from firing or selections from being exclusive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.